Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This 2018 Harley-Davidson TRIKE Ultra, with 20,755 miles, runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with Screaming Eagle slip-on mufflers, an open-air intake, lift-to-ride fuel door, 10-inch handlebars, and aftermarket grips. From the factory, it's equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, as well as reverse, navigation, and an intercom. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIKE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and rider comfort, the TRIKE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.